Yo.
Come on.
I've been so lonely, girl, I've been so sad and down. Couldn't understand why haters joked around. I wanted to be free with other creatures like me, and now I got my wish. Cause I know that I'm a gay fish, gay fish,
Gay fish, yo.
motherfucking gay fish, gay fish.
I'm a fish, yo.
Going on a gay fish,
It's alright, girl.
making love to other gay fish, gay fish. All those lonely nights at the grocery store, in the frozen fish aisle, feeling like a whore. Cause I wasn't being true, even though everyone said that I had to make a switch. Gay fish, now I know that I'm a gay fish, gay fish,
Gay fish, yo.
motherfucking gay fish, gay fish.
I'm a fish, yo.
Going on a gay fish, gay fish.
Now I'm where I belong, girl.
Making love to other gay fish.
I used to be scared, denying who I was, acting straight, but then going out to the gay fish clubs, dancing with the marlins, making out with all the snappers. I'd take a salmon home and work that caudal fin for hours. But now I'm out and I'm free to love what I want, be it yellowfin or bass or them trout in Vermont. I slap that marlin ass, make that grouper butt shake. I'll come to your house and have an orgy in your motherfucking fish tank, fish tank.
Motherfucking gay fish, gay fish.
I'm a fish, yo.
Going on a gay fish, gay fish.
Now I'm where I belong, girl.
Making love to other gay fish, gay fish. I really get around, I'm the slut of the sea. When I say I've got crabs, I mean it literally. I was eating dinner and just had to go down on that mackerel on the dish. Cause I'm the gayest of the gay fish, gay fish, gay fish. Motherfucking gay fish, gay fish.
I'm a fish, yo.
Going on a gay fish, gay fish.
Now I'm where I belong, girl.
But I got to settle down, I can't be a whore. I ain't gonna just sleep with any fish no more. I found me a lover, a brother who's a cross-dressing pike named Trish. And together we are gay fish, gay fish.
Gay fish, yo.
Motherfucking gay fish, gay fish.
I'm a fish, yo.
Going on a gay fish, gay fish.
Now I'm where I belong, girl.
Making love to other gay fish, gay fish. Gay fish, gay fish.
We drink and we pillage and we do what we please. We get all that we want for free. We'll kick your ass and rape your lass. Somalian pirates we. So with a yo-ho-ho
Yo ho ho.
and with a yee-hee-hee, we take to the African Sea. We'll brave the squalls and bust your balls. Somalian pirates we.
Somalian pirates, we.
We left our homes and we left our mothers to go on a pillaging spree. We'll cut off your ears and break your toes and make you drink our pee. And if you sail into our waters, you best hear this decree. We'll take your boat, set your ass afloat.
Somalian pirate we.
Nice, with a yo-ho-ho, yo-ho-ho, and a tricky lottie-doo.
Tricky lottie-doo.
We'll shoot you in the face with glee. Okay, let's stop there for a minute. Remember on Trick-a-Lottie-Doo, that's a lottie-doo? Okay, really need you guys to enunciate the lottie. So let's go from bar 14. We'll pick up after the quarter rest. Ike?
Somalian pirates, we.
Better! With a yo-ho-ho, yo-ho-ho, and a tricky lottie-doo.
Tricky lottie-doo.
We'll shoot you in the face with glee. Then we'll cut off your cock and feed it to a croc.
Somalian Pirates League.
Somalian pirates, we. Somalian pirates.
Pretentious attentions, dismissive apprehensions. Don't waste your time on coffins today. When we decline from the confines of our mind, don't waste your time on coffins today. Don't you see their bodies burning, desolate and full of yearning, dying those empty walls. From behind those empty walls. From behind those empty walls. You killed my families. Don't you see their bodies burning, desolate and full of yearning, dying of anticipation, choking from intoxication. Don't you see their bodies burning, desolate and full of yearning, dying of anticipation, choking from intoxication. I want you to be left behind those empty walls. Don't you see of anticipation, choking from intoxication. Don't you see their bodies burning, desolate and full of yearning, dying of anticipation, choking behind those empty walls. I told you to see from behind those empty walls. From behind those empty walls. From behind those fucking walls. From behind those goddamn walls. Those walls. Those walls. When this began, I had nothing to say, and I'd get lost in the nothingness inside.